every single time. Cannot understand. But for now I'm Good morning guys. It is 6:40 right now and I was supposed to wake up at 5:30, but well, here we are. I actually am waking up early nowadays. ठीक है, I'm trying और मैं सुबह उठ के I also go for a walk, but आज I didn't go because I thought कि मैं जल्दी उठ के पढ़ूँगी आज. But anyways, we are gonna start now and let's get up and freshen up first and then we will start studying because I have my Viva tomorrow and also I have my Viva the day after tomorrow. So yeah, we have to study for that. Good morning by the way. Hi guys, so I'm going to go and get some tea and biscuit because I'm a little hungry. It is अभी क्या टाइम हो रहा है? It is around 7:30. तो मैं थोड़ा सा चाय वाय पी के आती हूँ, मतलब लेके आती हूँ and then I'll drink and I'm revising my CO. हाँ जी. Hi guys, so basically मैं CO का रिविज़न कर रही थी for my Viva tomorrow and then I remembered that I should also read my file क्योंकि theory तो ठीक है but they are probably gonna ask more questions from the practicals that we have done in class, मतलब in lab. तो I got my file and यहाँ पे कुछ practicals है like experiments and all. तो मैं वहाँ से पढ़ूँगी. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं मतलब मैं सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाई की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, बस इन जनरल मैं 2 दिन से बहुत ज़्यादा ऑल्सो आई एम हैविंग टेरिबल क्रैम्प्स. ठीक है, सुबह से आई हैव बिन सिटिंग विद दिस कॉन्स्टेंटली. मैं इसको गर्म कर रही हूँ, लगा रही हूँ, गर्म कर रही हूँ बिकॉज इट्स लाइक I'm having really bad cramps and anyways I'm just so annoyed कि ये मतलब कुछ दिन पहले हो जाता मेरा periods तो कितना अच्छा होता, but right when I'm like I have to go to college every single time. But anyways तो अभी थोड़ा सा better है. So I was just saying that in general I'm just feeling so, I don't know, like I'm just feeling so out of it. तो पता नहीं, but yeah, I also have to go take a shower. It's I think 10 AM right now. नहीं 11. So yeah. Hi guys, so I think I've read the practical file में जो भी है, but I honestly cannot understand everything because it's been almost 3 months since we've had classes and honestly मेरे दिमाग के ऊपर से जा रहा है थोड़ा बहुत, but we don't have an option. We just have to somehow study. And yeah, so I'm done with that. अब मैं ना सोच रही हूँ कि मैं इसको तो वापस पढ़ना ही है, but I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna just read my book or chill for a bit, because I've been sitting here. I've not been studying पूरा 3 घंटे से. ऑफ कोर्स मैं फ़ोन भी चला रही थी, इंस्टाग्राम भी देख रही थी, बट आई डिड अभी थोड़ा सा. तो आई एम गोना टेक अ ब्रेक एंड देन maybe do a little bit of DSA, because tomorrow I have 2 hours, so I will do a little bit of DSA. This is my to-do list. ठीक है, तो hi guys, I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna have my lunch right now, and after that we will continue with our studies. Guys, I forgot to take a video, but I worked out. और मैं कंसिस्टेंटली वर्कआउट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ अभी फ़िलहाल. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन कॉलेज स्टार्ट्स, बट फॉर नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. तो आई वर्कड आउट फॉर अराउंड आई थिंक 30 minutes or something, and now I want to eat something. My phone is falling. I will eat something or make tea and also continue studying. But I am kind of exhausted, not exhausted, but I'm just a little tired, so I don't know. But yeah, that's it. That's the update for now. Right now it's 6 p.m. and yeah.
Do not use any other slot. This is a case where you just have to put somebody inside to use service. So that's
I'm walking. I just had my dinner and I walk for like 10 minutes every day after dinner, क्योंकि कुछ दिन पहले मेरी बहुत तबीयत ख़राब हुई थी. So since that I'm trying to do this for like better digestion and everything. It's just a good habit. और मैं literally अपने कमरे में चलती हूँ ऐसे. And yeah, also I finished my book. Wait. So I know I was supposed to study for my Viva, and I actually did, but then I started reading and बहुत ही interesting part चल रहा था, and I was just so invested into the story. I just had to finish it. Okay, so I read for I read for straight 2 hours I think, and I finished it and it was great. I gave it a 4 stars out of 5, and yeah. So I'm gonna walk and then I'm gonna go to sleep, because I have to wake up at 6 or something. Like I will try my best to wake up at 6, but I have to wake up early. So yeah, and I'll also tell you what all I did and what all I couldn't do. Hi guys, तो ऑलमोस्ट हो चुका है सब कुछ. मतलब आई हैव रिवाइज्ड ऊपर से, ठीक है, जस्ट फॉर टुमारो. एंड बस ये वाली जो यूनिट 3 का मुझे एक्चुअली फ्लैश कार्ड्स पढ़ना था एक वेबसाइट से. आई टेल यू गाइस अबाउट दैट वेबसाइट इन सम अदर वीडियो. सो आई हैव यूज्ड दैट वेबसाइट अ लॉट. मतलब आई एम यूजिंग अभी. तो वहाँ पे नोट्स एंड फ्लैश कार्ड्स ये सब मिलता है. सो आई वाज सपोज टू डू सम फ्लैश कार्ड्स फ्रॉम देयर, बट वो नहीं हो पाया. एंड रिवाइज यूनिट 2 नोट्स ये भी मतलब मैंने किया है, बट उतने अच्छे से नहीं हुआ. बाकी आई थिंक फॉर टुमारो आई हैव डन, बट वाइवा है, टीचर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. सो आई डोंट नो. एनीवेज आई एम गोना गो टू स्लीप नाउ. I'm gonna go to sleep now because I have to wake up early. So it's 10:30, I think, something like that. And I know this is like way too early for me, but I will tell you guys about this in some other video. But yeah, wish me luck. I just hope कि अच्छे से जाए वाइवा and all. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.